Hi there, everyone. This is Marybeth Angelelli with textbot AI. And it's been a little while since I actually did a video for textbot, so I wanted to do an update and a review to bring you inside of my back office first and just show you around a little bit. textbot is still very much alive and going strong, and I absolutely love it. I've been using textbot now for over a year, and I've had really great results, which I will share with you here momentarily. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you around and show you the back office. This is really easy to navigate, super simple to set up, and there's even step-by-step video training tutorials over here inside of the system that shows you exactly what to do and how to do it very simplistically. Okay, so no worries. This is very user friendly and it's also very newbie friendly. All right. All right, up here is where you will go to set up your profile and your payment methods and elect whichever website you desire, the website of your choice that you want your textbot to advertise and promote for you. It's all going to be done through the profile section right up here at the very top right. Okay, so that is that. This is where you go to buy your credits so that you can set your textbot up and automate it to work and communicate on your behalf to your prospects and get them signed up. Okay, this by and large is a very automated system. It's an automated phone funnel system where they give you options of advertising your assigned phone number. Mine happens to be right here, 716-229-8845. Okay, you will have your very own assigned textbot number to you, and this is where you'll go to buy your credits. It's really simple. Okay, you can also promote textbot like what I have mostly done and led with my website. And there are two links right here that you get assigned. These are coded to you so that you get credit. And these are two different sales pages. Okay, so you have a choice of either this one or this one, and you can change them out at any time, test them, split test them, whatever you would like. Okay, and then you can decide for yourself which you feel is giving you better results, and then you can lead and run with that. Now, I've stuck to the original one here, and I've had excellent results doing so. There is a new one here, and it's also very, very good, equally good as well. Okay, so I'm sure that I will be expanding and diversifying here in the very near future. But here is the dashboard, and this is where we're at right now. And we'll go down here, and I'll just show you a little bit of proof. This is my total textbot sales to date, earnings to date, $41,200. Okay, it shows you so that you can track your commission history, your total signups, your total sales, and your unique hits through your marketing efforts. And I've had 11,279 hits, total hits to date. Okay, so my textbot has been very active. It has served me very well. As you can see right here, total sales, earnings to date, $41,200. Okay, and it tracks it all here. And then you can also plug in your website or whatever business opportunity you want to put in here. Your inviter's recommended business opportunity. Check out the business opportunity your inviter is recommending to you. And this way your entire membership base and your downline will be able to see this. So this is some great way to get additional exposure to the website of your choice as well. Okay, and then your recent signups will be here, your recent opt-ins, so it tracks all of your leads. So if you want to follow up and do some additional follow-ups, you'll be able to see your recent signups, paid and unpaid, and recent opt-ins. Okay, so you can go ahead and do additional follow-up. Like they say, folks, the money is in the list, and I've been building both my email list, and textbot has been building me a very nice mobile marketing list. Okay, and the fortune is in the follow-up. And I do have an autoresponder connected to my sales page for my textbot funnel that sends out emails on my behalf for an extended period of time for those who see my website and choose and elect to enter their best email address and opt in and be redirected to the sales page, which I'm going to show you here momentarily. Okay, so here is the AVA Basic, and I am also an AVA Basic member, and I did upgrade to the AVA Plus, which gives you a lot more value, a lot more features, and increased earning potential. Okay, so here's AVA Basic. Here's your leads that are collected internally the chat option, the settings option to get it all set up, and custom keywords that you can use to set up your text bot, okay? Very simple, and there's videos, step-by-step videos for all of this. Ava Plus, okay? You can get multiple text bots so that you can advertise multiple opportunities, and it comes with a wonderful broadcaster feature so that you can do additional follow-up via SMS text through the broadcaster if you are an Ava Plus member. That's one of the biggest benefits, not to mention you earn additional higher level commissions. So instead of $100, you can earn at least $500 or more, okay, as an Ava Plus member, all right? And then we have the resellers. This has your links. This has your presentation leads are stored here. Access to the Facebook group for all paid members. These are all the marketing resources with ad copy and content right here for you to swipe and deploy, okay, for social media and email. Pending payments, commission history. Your team is all managed and tracked right through here. Your leverage line for TextBot and your leverage line for Ava Plus, okay? TextBot leaderboard, okay, and then get help. This is where you can see all the latest and greatest news and updates as a member. Company videos, you can use these for your marketing, and this also has the step-by-step guided video training tutorials to show you how to set everything up. Your text bot, your keywords, and your Ava Plus, all within this area here, okay? Tech Tuesday, resources for marketing resources. If you need support, you simply click on Contact Us, and this will allow you to send a message directly into support, and then they can help you out, okay? And you can also use the live chat feature down here during active hours as well. So this is pretty much, the back office of TextBot. Just wanted to give you a quick guided tour. I absolutely love it. It is very easy to use and navigate. This has been a great tool, folks. We're now in 2021, and mobile marketing is very, very hot, okay? This is something, irregardless of whatever business you have, you can utilize TextBot to help you to generate traffic and leads for any home-based business of your choice. And Ava Plus is even more powerful because instead of having access to only a single text bot for one business opportunity, you have multiple text bots, and you can use additional features as well to further reach and follow up with those leads, including the SMS text message broadcaster. Okay, so lots of great value, and of course lots of wonderful income potential over time, as you've seen by my proof. Okay, so I have primarily been leading with my capture page. Let me share this with you. It has been working out very, very well. EasyDaily100.com. I'm going to drop that link in the description below. This is a simple capture page. Discover the #1 proven system that allows average people to pocket $100 plus daily. This is changing lives. Enter your email to get instant access now. So you just simply enter your best email and then simply click on this Get Instant Access button. Okay, so we'll put an email in here, and we're going to move forward.
Hey,
and
I'm
as
Jeff,
you can see,
and
this
I'm going to tell you how to
redirection to the
have
sales
$100 or more
presentation
sent
where
to
you
you
will be
every
able to
single day,
listen
straight to event.
to the creator and founder of TextBot, Jeff Long, who delivers a wonderful, wonderful presentation. This is a very high response, high converting sales page. What I love about this is this system is largely automated, doing all the telling, selling, and explaining for you right through the creator through this presentation video. This works amazingly, amazingly well, okay? And then you'll be prompted what to do after you listen to the entire video. You'll be able to move forward if you desire and take the next step to getting registered and signed up so that you can be in a position to receive these commissions and have a wonderful marketing tool to help you to advertise any business of your choice. You're going to be able to build a mobile marketing lead list and an email lead list if you desire. And like they say, folks, the money is in the list, the fortune is in the follow-up, okay? TextBot they have their own internal follow-up system in place. And if you have a capture page like me, reconnecting and directing to this presentation, collecting email leads. I have my own autoresponder connected to this, and I have a series of email follow-ups that go out for me on my behalf 24/7 for an extended period of time. So this is a very, very automated system, folks. Many, many of my signups have been generated on complete autopilot, okay? I've never spoken to a lot of my signups. They've just gone through the system, they followed the prompts, and they got signed up, and then they got access. They got their welcome email from TextBot with access to their back office, where they're able to log in with their username and password and set your account, be able to set your entire system up following this simple step-by-step video tutorials. If you need any assistance at any time, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So I'm going to talk to you prior to closing out this video and sharing with you what has helped me and what's been instrumental with my marketing strategies and methods allowing me to generate in excess of $41,000 to date using TextBot. Okay, I've combined free organic with low-cost paid. My free organic has been YouTube, and I utilize this free screen sharing software called Screencast-O-Matic. It allows me to do these videos sharing my screen, my capture page, my back office, all that good stuff with you. And it's called Screencast-O-Matic. And it's really easy. You can use it one of two ways if you wish, like I do. I do activate my webcam, so you're able to see me delivering these videos and these presentations and addressing certain aspects and all that good stuff in my videos. However, if you want, you can just talk and you don't have to activate your webcam. You can just guide people through various back office tours. Okay, so video marketing, YouTube is one. Facebook marketing using my Facebook Stories feature and my Facebook profile, my timeline. Both Facebook and YouTube simply for free, folks. I haven't done any paid YouTube ads and no paid Facebook ads. So those have been my two best, most effective free organic methods and marketing strategies for TextBot. On the paid side, okay, I have used SMS phone leads, which I have lots of videos out there for that. That's an additional supplemental tool that I've been able to use to build my list, and I've led with my capture page where I'm able to send out text messages, throughout the week, throughout the month using SMS phone leads, sending a simple short little text message. Okay, the leads come with a system. And my message has been very short and sweet and simple, right to the point. And I have given a call to action inviting people to come to this website, easydaily100.com. And if you search out my channel, Retire with Marybeth, you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Retire with Marybeth, and this way you'll be notified as I continue to share and make more and create more videos for TextBot in the future, okay? But those do have my SMS phone leads. If you search that out, you can see those tutorials, and I've done some demos live showing exactly how I utilize that. And that's a really simple three-step process, SMS phone leads. I've also built my email list through solo ads, okay? And I'm going to share with you two resources here to help you out. And when you do partner up with me directly and join with me directly, you will have access to, as some special bonuses, my paid traffic and lead resources specifically, as well as my email swipe copy to help you to increase your cash flow and your conversions with TextBot. Okay, so let me show you two really great sources that I've been using. MLM Leads. This is mlmleads.com. Okay, this is a really good resource. They've been around for a very long time. All right, so you can check this all out for yourself. BizOp leads from anywhere, okay, for USA. Perfect for dialing, texting for any BizOp, okay. And you can click here to learn more. They have a wide variety of different packages. And I've always used the My Autopilot Traffic. They even give you scripts on what to say to prospects. They have a lot of great value here, okay. They have a lead capture page system to start collecting leads, all that good stuff. Real-time local leads. There's a lot of stuff. So if you have, this TextBot business or even another business, folks, this can definitely serve you very, very well. You can check all this out for yourself. Okay, here's the various products. This is what I've used here. I've used My Autopilot Web Traffic National, okay? And this has allowed me to purchase clicks and then utilize my website, and they advertise it through their various traffic platforms and mediums, okay? My Autopilot Web Traffic National. But they have a wide variety of different services here that you can check out through their website, mlmleads.com. So do indeed check that out. Love these guys. I've been actually using them for a very long time, okay? And they've brought great value and have served me very well in building my various businesses over the past several years, including textbot. My other favorite, okay, is Udemy, udimi.com, all right? And I actually did a video there showing you, my criteria and my parameters that I use in finding the best sellers. So you can check that out. And again, when you partner up with me directly and join specifically under me, folks, I will share with you exactly my specific paid traffic and lead resources, including the exact sellers that I have been using with great results on Udemy. Okay, so this is another really great resource. You can control the cost and you can decide how many clicks you want to buy, with both mlmleads.com and udemy.com. And then once you get into profit mode and you start generating a consistent income with textbot, then you can scale up and increase your click purchase. Okay, so these are two great resources, udemy.com, mlmleads.com, and I have a great capture page, and I will go share that with you as well. Okay, this has been my go-to resource for all of my marketing materials, all of my customized marketing materials since like 2015, okay? There's no affiliate program with this. This is just a resource that you can utilize for any type of content creation, funnel creation, video creation, graphics, whatever you need, folks. Postcards, the whole 9 yards, whatever you need marketing related, email swipe, email follow-ups, funnels, simple capture pages, customized sales pages, customized marketing videos, email copy, postcards, you name it, folks. This is an excellent resource, convertfunnels.net, okay? It has served me very, very well, and you can read all about it down here. You need something specifically created. Do indeed check that out. These are some examples of some funnels. I shared with you the one that I had created by convertfunnels.net for textbot, and it has been doing an excellent job for me and converting very, very well. Here's a wonderful postcard that I had created for another opportunity, and whatever you like. Sales letters, if you want to take this offline, you can have postcards created for you. You can have sales letters created for you. Folks, the sky is the limit. Have fun. Be creative, be consistent. Consistency is the key to being successful in any home-based business, including textbot AI. If you have any questions, best way to reach me is text or call me. My contact information will be below in the description. Head over to easydaily100.com. Be sure and enter your best email and sit back and relax. Watch the wonderful presentation by Jeff Long. I'm sure you'll be excited as I was when I first viewed that presentation, folks, and then just follow along the prompts to getting signed up. I'll receive an email notification. I will send you a welcome email when I receive your notification that you joined. Okay, so thank you very much for spending the last 19 minutes with me, allowing me to continue to share with you this amazing mobile marketing system called textbot AI that you can use to help you to successfully and effectively build any home-based business of your choice in 2021 and beyond. I absolutely love textbot, folks. I know that you will too. I've shared with you some great resources that will help you to increase your conversions and help you to also have success with your textbot AI system. Until the next video, folks, take care. Marybeth Angelelli signing off. Bye for now.